As someone who works from home, I really hate being cramped in my office, and I try to move from room to room. The most comfortable room to work from in my home is definitely my living room. The only issue are these massive windows. Now, the windows are great for natural light. In the middle of the day, the sun kind of shines right in my face, and I definitely have to get up to close the blinds. In this video, I'll be partnering with Graywind to take a look at their top-down, bottom-up motorized shades. These are smart shades that you can control with your voice that don't require any wiring. Let's go ahead and get started. The process for getting these ordered was incredibly seamless, so I literally just took measurements of my windows from the top to the bottom and side to side. I gave the exact measurements to Graywind, and then they custom made the shades for my specific window. I love the fact that these fit perfectly. So these sit snugly in my window for minimal light bleed. These shades definitely fit like a glove. To be honest, I was a little bit intimidated with installing these shades. I've installed blinds and shades in the past, and they've been a bit troublesome, but these were super easy to install. It only took me about 5 minutes per shade to get these installed. First, I measured out 5 inches from the side and made a mark. I decided to place the shades to the front of the window cavity just to give it a more streamlined look. Once I had my spots marked, I just drilled my holes. I put the anchors in and then just screwed in the clips. Inside the shade, you just have to connect the battery. Once the battery is connected, you can just click these into place. The clips have a mechanism. You just push them in and then kind of tilt them up, and they snap into place. Super simple, super easy. The remote control was actually pre-programmed to the shades, so as soon as I had them installed, I could use them with the remote control. I definitely like that added touch. From there, I was able to jump into the application and get each one of the shades connected to the app. Getting these set up for Google Assist, Alexa, or even HomeKit was super simple. There's an option right there in the app to connect your account, and once you do that, you have control of these with your voice. For the top-down, bottom-up series, they have both blackout and light filtering shades. I chose the light filtering shades because in the living room, I still like to have the light that comes through the windows, and I really don't have any need to have total darkness in that room. The cellular shade material filters the light. When you have the shades all the way down, what you end up with is soft light in your room. This is definitely great for the middle of the day when the sun's shining directly through the window. Not only does this take away that harsh, bright, shining sun in my face, it also helps to keep the room cool as it's filtering out the heat. The other thing that I love about these is I do get plenty of privacy and plenty of light because of that top-down design. If I want to cover up just the line of sight and then leave plenty of space for natural sunlight to come in, I can adjust the blinds accordingly. You're able to adjust both the top and the bottom, so if you want the shade to be right there in the middle of the window, you have that option as well. So I love the fact that there's total customization with these blinds, and I love being able to customize the amount of privacy I need versus the amount of light that I need. This did come with a remote control, which gives you super easy access to the controls on the blinds themselves. Again, you also have control through the application, and you can control this with your voice through smart assistants. Okay, close blind number 4. I did like the fact that if I needed to make an adjustment, I didn't have to get up and grab the remote. I could just simply send out a command to my smart assistant and the blinds would respond. With the application, you also have the ability to set a favorite position. So if there's a specific position that you like to set the blinds to every day, you can set that favorite, and then all you have to do is click the favorite button to set that position. You also have the option to set specific scenes. For instance, if the weather hits a certain temperature, you can have the blinds to shut automatically, or you can set specific schedules. So maybe every day in the morning, you want the blinds to open, and then at a certain time at night when you need more privacy, you want the blinds to close. You have the option to set that schedule within the application. These shades feature a high quality motor with an included battery that will last from 3 to 6 months on a single charge. You also have very easy to access charge ports on the front of the shade. That way when it's time to charge the batteries, it's super easy to get to. They do have an option for a solar charger. They didn't send those out to me to test, but those are also pretty easy to set up. And then you have indefinite battery life. Overall, if you're looking for an easy to install, high quality set of smart shades, then the top down, bottom up shades from Graywind are definitely a great option. I especially love the fact that you can customize the amount of privacy versus the amount of light that you need coming in. It's something that's totally unique that I actually haven't seen before working on this video. I'll be sure to include links in the description so you can find out more information about the Graywind shades and pick some up for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.